In this video, two chefs compete, trying to impress the judge to see who is the kitchen's best chef. Welcome to the cook-off.
Alright, go.
I'm chef number one. I will be making mac and cheese. We have chef number two over here.
What will you be making?
Boom! Stir-fried rice.
Okay.
Here is our judge.
Bro is finding his ingredients.
Guys, where's the pan? Should I make two things of mac and cheese or one? The fuck? I don't know. We got the mac and cheese right here, you know. Let me just, we gotta taste test it.
Oh, that's some quality mac and cheese right there.
We gotta test it.
Sorry, were you saying something?
Quantity.
You saying something? Oh yeah, we got the ingredients. Got our sauces. Oh yeah.
No.
Chef's hard at work.
I need a thing, guys.
Here's the ingredients I got for the mac and cheese. You know, pretty simple. Just a basic mac and cheese. You know, some cheese. Got some butter right here and the milk. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out.
Fuck your fuck ass mac and cheese.
Fuck yours. Attack!
Why not?
We got meat in here.
Okay.
I gotta shake it. You go shake it. Some milk. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. There.
Needs more salt.
Taste test real quick. Oh, there's some cheese on that.
So yummy.
I gotta mix it more. Oh shit.
Now watch this.
Here's my dish.
Here's my dish. Check this out.
Chef number two's dish first.
How's the food?
Excellent.
I must give it a try as well. Not bad, chef. On to the mac and cheese.
Greatly prepared.
How was it, chef?
Very creamy. I like cream.
We feasting. Fuck, wait, hold up. After tasting both the dishes, it was a close judgment, but I'm gonna have to go with chef number two's. Step forward, please, chef. Yeah! Thank you, sir. Now go into the chef kitchen now.
After all my hard work and holy God. After my time here, I've realized